Hey gamers, welcome back. If you're new around here, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss my latest mobile game hack tutorials, tips, and tricks. Today, I'll show you a super simple way to grab unlimited diamonds in Gossip Harbor. No computer, no rooting, no jailbreak, just your phone. I tested this method myself and it worked perfectly, fast and smooth. So, let's jump right in. First things first, open Gossip Harbor and go to your profile screen. There you'll find your player ID, a unique mix of letters and numbers tied to your account. Take a screenshot or jot it down, you'll need it shortly. Got it? Great, let's keep moving. Next, open your browser, Chrome, Safari, whichever you use, and head over to the website I'm showing in this video. Search for Gossip Harbor and select the Unlimited Diamonds Hack option. That'll take you straight to the tool page. It's really simple to follow. On the generator page, pick your platform and enter your user ID. Double check everything's correct, then tap Proceed. The tool will link to your account automatically in just a few seconds. Now comes the fun part, decide how much resources you want. Select the amount, then hit Proceed again. From here, the system takes care of the encryption, syncing, and all the behind-the-scenes stuff. Before the resources show up, you'll need to pass a quick human verification step. Don't worry, it's simple. Usually it just means downloading a free app and keeping it open for a minute. If you need help, the site usually provides step-by-step instructions. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now reopen Gossip Harbor and check your account. Your diamond should be there instantly, ready for you to use. I tested this same method earlier, and it worked flawlessly. No grinding, no money spent, just instant rewards. And that's it. A full walkthrough on how to get unlimited diamonds in Gossip Harbor. If this helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe with the bell so you never miss the next hack tutorial. Got stuck on a step? Drop your questions in the comments. I check them often and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your boosted account and I'll see you in the next video.